Did you know that over $4.2 trillion were spent online last year? It's true. Online sales were higher than they've ever been before, and it's predicted that they'll continue to grow. Now imagine if there was an easy way for you to get in front of all that money being spent online. Imagine if you could grab your slice of the 4.2 trillion online shopping pie. The good news? You can. And it's easier than you ever thought possible. Introducing SmartStores, the world's fastest, easiest, and most powerful two-click automated affiliate SmartStore builder. It lets you instantly launch a fully functioning affiliate store, chock full of the hottest offers online, and then send unlimited free buyer traffic to your store in just 37 seconds flat. It's a complete traffic and commission solution in one. Here's how it works. Step 1. Click the Add to Cart button below to grab your copy before the price increases. Step 2. Log in and activate your SmartStore with one click. Step 3. Blast your SmartStore to 100 free buyer traffic sources in just 37 seconds or less. There's no product creation, no SEO, no paid traffic. No complicated setup. No learning curve. Anyone, regardless of your experience, can get results with SmartStores. It's literally as easy as clicking a few buttons. Now, you may be wondering what this cutting-edge software costs. Has to be expensive, right? After all, this is a one-stop solution for success online. It would be more than fair for us to ask at least $197 a month. After all, with SmartStores, it would be easy to make that back. But since this is the special launch period, and we want everyone to succeed with SmartStores, we're not going to ask for $197 a month. We're not going to ask for $67 a month. Not even $47 a month. In fact, we're not going to ask for a monthly payment at all. When you act right now, you can access SmartStores with unlimited free traffic for a special, low one-time price, less than what you'd pay for a night at the movies. But that's not all. When you act right now, you'll also get 7 super gifts worth thousands of dollars absolutely free. You can see the details below. These bonuses were created to ensure SmartStore's customers get amazing results as fast as possible. Plus, to make sure this is the absolute best offer we could make for you, we are removing all the risk with our outrageous 365-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. If for some strange reason you don't get results with SmartStores, let us know, and we will promptly and courteously send your money back. No questions asked. But because of how well it's worked for us, and many other people just like you, we don't think you're going to ask for your money back. We honestly believe the day you activate your SmartStore will be one of the most productive and happiest days of your life. And almost immediately, you can begin generating real, life-changing results from the comfort of your own home, faster than you thought possible. All you have to do is click the button below and get your copy of SmartStores now. You literally have nothing to lose and so much to gain. But you'll need to hurry, because the price is going up very soon. So to lock in the best possible deal, you must act now. If you come back later, you will have to pay more. So why not get started now? Why put off success for another day? Click the button below to get started with your own SmartStore today.